Have you tried to manifest money and it didn't work? Visualized, affirmed, made a vision board, but your bank account is still the same? I'm going to tell you a secret nobody talks about. You're not doing it wrong, you're doing it incomplete. Basic manifestation techniques are just the entry point. There's an advanced level that combines quantum physics, neuroscience, and energy that professional manifestors use, but almost nobody teaches. And that's exactly what I'm going to reveal in this video. 7. Advanced techniques ranging from 5D visualization to wealth energy signature. If you made it here, it's because you're ready for the next level. Ready to dive deep? First advanced technique, 5D visualization. Most people do 2D visualization, like watching a movie in their mind. You see the scene from a distance, as a spectator. That's weak. 3D visualization is when you put yourself inside the scene, seeing through your own eyes. That's already better, but 5D visualization adds two crucial dimensions: high-intensity emotion and total body presence. Here's how it works. You don't just see the scene from inside it, you feel it in every cell of your body. You're visualizing receiving a big payment? Feel the weight of your phone in your hand when you open the notification. Feel your heart racing with joy. Feel the smile forming on your face. Feel your breathing changing. Feel the energy running through your body. You activate all senses and all physical sensations. Why is this so powerful? Because your subconscious doesn't differentiate intensely imagined experience from real experience. When you do 5D visualization, you're literally creating the neural memory of having already lived that. And your brain is going to seek in the external world to confirm that memory. It's neural reprogramming on steroids. Second technique, quantum scripting. You've probably heard of scripting, which is writing your ideal life as if it already happened. But quantum scripting adds an essential element: collapsing waves of possibility. In quantum physics, there's the concept that all possibilities exist simultaneously until an observer collapses the wave into a specific reality. So when you do quantum scripting, you're not writing fantasy, you're choosing which quantum timeline you want to collapse into reality. The technique, you write in present tense with intense emotion, sensory details, and here's the secret. You write from the point of view of someone who already is that person. Not I will have, but I have. Not I hope, but I know. Not it would be amazing if, but it's amazing that. Every word you choose is collapsing a quantum possibility. Write for 15 minutes every day, always at the same time, preferably in the morning. Your brain will start operating from that reality. And if you're digging this level of content, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe to the channel because there's a lot more advanced technique coming. Third technique, abundance energy anchoring. This comes from advanced NLP combined with energy work. You're going to create a physical anchor that instantly puts you in the vibrational state of abundance. Here's how it works. Choose a unique gesture you don't normally do. Could be touching your thumb to your pinky finger, could be touching behind your ear, could be pressing a specific point on your wrist. Now, you're going to seek out peak abundance moments in your life. Can be a real memory or an intense visualization of future abundance. When you're at the peak of that emotion, feeling abundance with everything you've got, you make the gesture and hold it for 10 seconds. Breathe deeply in that state. You're creating a neurological association between the gesture and the emotional state. Repeat this 50 times over 2 weeks with different abundance experiences. Then, whenever you need to enter the abundant state before a negotiation, before making a sale, before making a financial decision, you simply make the gesture and your nervous system automatically enters the state. It's like an abundance emergency button. Fourth technique, scarcity frequency cleanse. This one's heavy, but necessary. Most people have so much scarcity energetic junk that they keep trying to manifest abundance on top of a foundation of fear. It's like planting flowers in contaminated soil. You need to do deep energetic cleaning. The specific technique that works. Every day, for 21 days, you're going to do a release ritual. Grab paper and pen and write everything you fear about money. I'm afraid of going broke. I'm afraid I won't make it. I'm afraid of losing everything. Let it out uncensored. Then, You read each fear out loud and say, I acknowledge this fear. I'm grateful it protected me, but now I choose to release you. And burn the paper. Symbolically, you're transmuting fear into ash. Do this religiously for 21 days. At the end, you'll feel an absurd energetic lightness, and manifestation will flow without resistance. Fifth technique, exponential gratitude algorithm. Everyone talks about gratitude, but there's an advanced form that multiplies the power. It's based on mathematical progression. Day 1, you list one thing you're grateful for related to money. Could be, I'm grateful for having money to eat today. Day 2, you list 2 things, but one has to be new. Day 3, 3 things. You keep expanding. But here's the trick. You can't repeat the same generic things. You need to be increasingly specific and creative. This forces your brain to search for abundance in places you never noticed. By day 15, when you have to list 15 different things you're grateful for financially, you'll be seeing abundance in absolutely everything. Your clothes, your phone, the water you drink, electricity, air conditioning, the knowledge you have, the opportunities around you. You're going to reprogram your RAS, reticular activating system, to compulsively seek abundance. And since you're here, with me at this advanced level, go ahead and drop that like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. Sixth technique, envy energy transmutation. Look, everyone feels envy when they see someone with what they want. Most people try to repress it. Mistake. Envy is energy, and energy doesn't disappear. It only transforms. So let's transmute it. When you feel envy of someone prosperous, instead of judging or repressing, do this exercise. Visualize that person's prosperity as a golden light. Now, visualize that light flowing from them to you as if you're absorbing the frequency. Mentally, you say, if this is possible for them, it's possible for me. I celebrate their success as proof that abundance exists and is available. You just transformed envy, low frequency of scarcity, into inspiration, high frequency of possibility. And there's a powerful side effect. You stop blocking abundance through judgment. Because every time you judge someone rich negatively, you're telling, the universe, I don't want to be like that. And the universe says, okay, you won't be. Seventh technique, wealth energy signature. This is the most advanced and most powerful. Every emotional state has an energy signature, a specific frequency. Poverty has a signature, fear, anxiety, scarcity, contraction. Wealth has another, confidence, expansion, generosity, lightness. Most people try to change external reality first to then feel the emotion. When I have money, then I'll feel abundant. But advanced manifestation works in reverse. You cultivate the energy signature of wealth before wealth arrives, and it comes as a consequence of the frequency. How do you do this? Throughout the day, you ask yourself, how would an abundant person react to this? Someone cuts you off in traffic? Poor person gets irritated. Scarcity of patience. Abundant person doesn't even care. Abundance of peace. Need to pay a bill? Poor person complains. Scarcity. Abundant person gives thanks for having the you. Resource to pay. Abundance. You start embodying the identity, the way of being, the energy of a prosperous person before having physical prosperity. And the universe, which responds to frequency, not circumstance, starts treating you as prosperous. Opportunities appear. Right people cross your path. Ideas emerge. Everything aligns. Now there's a bonus technique that's the accelerator of all these. Cardiac coherence for manifestation. There's an institute called HeartMath that discovered the heart has an electromagnetic field 5,000 times more powerful than the brain. When heart and brain enter coherence, you enter a turbocharged manifestation state. The technique, put your hand on your heart. Breathe deeply. Imagine the air entering and leaving through your heart. Do this for 2 minutes until you feel the rhythm getting smooth. Now, with your heart in a coherent state, you activate one of the techniques I taught. 5D visualization with coherent heart, master level. Quantum scripting with coherent heart, Reality shifts fast. So let's recap the 7 advanced manifestation techniques. 5D visualization, activating all senses and body sensations. Quantum scripting, collapsing timelines. Energy anchoring, creating instant abundance button. Scarcity frequency, cleanse, removing blocks. Exponential gratitude, algorithm, reprogramming perception. Envy transmutation, transforming low energy into high. And energy signature, embodying prosperity identity. These aren't techniques for everyone. They're for those who've already tried the basics, already know how to visualize, already do affirmations, but want to go to the next level. They're for those who are serious about manifestation, not playing around. And here's my intense challenge for you. For the next 30 days, pick 3 of these techniques and practice every single day, without skipping any day. Could be 5D visualization in the morning, quantum scripting in the afternoon, and energy signature all day long. Or scarcity cleanse, exponential gratitude, and cardiac coherence. But it has to be consistent. Manifestation isn't an event, it's a practice. It's training. The more you do it, the stronger your manifestation muscle gets. After 30 days, come back here and comment what happened. I want to know what synchronicities appeared, what opportunities emerged, how much your reality shifted. If you want more advanced techniques, I've got videos about specific manifestation, about applied quantum physics, about deep subconscious, reprogramming. It's all here on the channel. Just explore the advanced manifestation playlist. Now drop that, like if this content went beyond what you've seen on other channels. Subscribe to keep getting techniques that actually work, not empty promises. Turn on notifications to be notified when I drop more master-level content. And share this with that person you know is ready for this level of manifestation. Comment below which technique you're going to start applying today. 5D visualization, quantum scripting, energy signature. I want to know which one resonated strongest with you. And remember, the universe doesn't respond to what you want, it responds to what you are. These techniques aren't about asking for more, they're about becoming someone who naturally attracts prosperity. They're about elevating your frequency until abundance is your only possible option. You made it this far because you're not a half-hearted person. You want real manifestation, real results, real transformation. And I delivered you the tools. Now it's on you. The universe is waiting for you to raise the frequency. Thank you so much for staying till the end. I'll see you in the next video. Already manifested, prosperous, and vibing high. See you there.